In the Northeast Diesel Power Technology program, we believe in training our students to work on a wide variety of equipment and diesel engines. Students will gain experience working on everything from light-duty to on-highway trucks, off-road, marine, and agricultural equipment. The diesel program uses classroom and shop-based training to prepare students for the four most common fields in the industry: preventative maintenance, electrical systems, major repair, and after-treatment systems. To keep up with the ever-changing technology and market needs, we make sure our students are trained using the latest tooling and technology, including OEM diagnostic software. We've also added to our basic curriculum a variety of dealer-level training that's specific to industry needs. Graduates of this program can take their degree and work anywhere in the world. Career opportunities range from dealerships, privately owned shops, sales, and much more.
Because a diesel engine affects all aspects of your daily life, technicians will always be in high demand. The food we eat, the clothes we wear, and the cell phones that we use are all made possible because of diesel technology and diesel engines.
Because of the diesel program, I was able to secure a job that is investing in me. It has led to additional company training and other opportunities that will benefit me and my family throughout the future. I highly encourage anyone looking to be a diesel technician to go through the Northeast program.
Through my training at Northeast, I was hired as an apprentice at Tri-State. This has been a wonderful way to apply what I'm learning to real situations every day.
The company I work for is constantly updating their fleet and equipment. My program has taught me to stay current on the training because the learning never does stop. I definitely feel prepared for work in the diesel field in the future.
Here in this program, we have a strong relationship with our industry partners. This leads to great job opportunities. Through these partnerships, we're developing more than just technicians. We are heavily emphasizing work ethics, time management, and accountability. This is the key to our success and 100% job placement.
Over the last 7 years, we've hired 4 technicians from this diesel program. That makes up 20% of our workforce. The graduates from this program are coming to us with a strong foundation to build upon.
To be called a diesel technician is a great honor that only a few people hold. If becoming a diesel technician is something for you, come see our program and let me show you how I can put you to work today.
At Northeast, our goal is for every student to graduate with the skills and knowledge needed for their next step in their career or education. Here are some program highlights for the Diesel Power Technology program.